Hello guys, hello teacher. My name is Luis Guillermo Caballero Estrada. I am 22 years old. I am going to tell you my future. I want to travel to United States to explore its diverse culture, visit famous cities. I am experience different lifestyles across the country. I would love to see places like New York, Los Angeles, and Washington D.C. If I travel to the United States, I will visit iconic landmarks such as the Statue of Liberty, World Trade Central Park. I explore museums like the Smithsonian. I will also try different types of times of American food and 10 cultural events. Famous landmarks are visited by millions of tourists every year. I and many cultural traditions are celebrated as groups in the United States. Delicious foods are prepared in different regions. Important historical events are remembered and museums and monuments. My teacher said that the United States was a very interesting country to visit. I am that many opportunities could be found there. My friends also told me that the experience was unforgettable and that the people were very friendly. And during my trip, many famous places will be visited. Unforgettable experience will be lived. Different types of food will tasted. I know friendships will be created. Important your your Turkial monuments will be explored. Interesting story will be learned. English skill be improved through daily conversation and cultural knowledge will be expanded by observing traditions and customs. Bye.